Welcome. If you want to connect printer to your SONY Xperia 1 Mark II, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now tap on the device connection and tap on the connection preferences. Scroll down, click on the printing, and we are going to check if our printer is going to connect automatically. So right now just tap on the default print service, and yes, the HP Color LaserJet Pro is connected to our smartphone. But if you have a problem and your smartphone cannot find your printer and cannot connect, you have to add the service. So we are going right now to the Play Store, and for example, if you got the brother printer, you have to take this plugin, install, and then when you back right here, you will see default print service and also the brother print service, and then you will be able to connect your printer. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.